Okay, this tree is an eastern red cedar, Juniperus virginiana, excellent for windbreaks and screens. Of course, cedar bark, cordage, and tinder. A lot of videos about the bark, processing the bark, grinding it up between your hands for your tinder bundle. That's an evergreen. It has like these little blueberries, non-edible. Here's what the bark looks like. Okay, an acorn tree? Nope, it's a walnut tree. Walnut trees produce acorns. And of course, this is great for food, for wildlife, and for bushcraft and survival. It's a hardwood, which is good for lumber and long burning fires. Shortleaf pine, Pinus echta, pine bark. I can't really say that. Pine bark and resin. Of course, pine gum, pine glue, pine needles, pine tea. High source of vitamin C. Fire starting with the cones. The needles are edible. Like I said, it's a great source of vitamin C. Here's the bark, what the bark looks like for that particular tree, and we got a little piece we're going to take off here. Found a bird's nest already made. Just process some of that cedar bark and drop in there, and be good to go. This is a red Jonathan apple tree, Malus X domestica. Sweet and spicy with a tang or a kick. It's great for eating, cooking, and baking. You know, of course, apple wood is great for smoking, but I wouldn't cut down an apple tree. Source of food, and apples you can put up and last a long time. It's a great backup food. I believe this is a pear tree. That's kind of hard to tell at this stage. Here we have the weeping willow, the Salix Babylonian and Babylonica. Inner bark makes excellent cordage, fishing nets. Also, you can do basket weaving with the long, thin branches, whips. And it makes a nice shade and shelter to get out of the sun, assuming that the bugs haven't moved in there. And it even allows some wind to come through.